Okay, this right here is my TV. Let me know if y'all like this little situation that's going on right here. If you don't like it, if you think it's cheesy, let me know. So yeah, let's get into it, shall we? So I got this wig from GeniusWigs. I'm excited to try their products again because, you know, I did a video with them before and I was satisfied. So okay, she's long. Wait, hold on. Why am I surprised? Like, I'm always asking for long hair. Hold on. This is 18 inches, 150% density, and this is their headband wig. So I think there's no lace on this, like. Okay, so these are a variety of headbands that they give you, and wow, okay, you can wear this however you like. So wait, wow, okay, hold on. So you get this design right here. It's like orange, green, and white and yellow, and there's just another one that is blue, yellow, green, and red. This other one, I really like the colors on this one. It's like a blue-green with a navy blue, white, and brown. I like this one. I really like this one. It's cute. I like this one as well. It has like a lime green, a brown, and white, and kind of like a lavender color. So these are the many different ways that, if it would just focus, that you can wear these headbands. It's not even focusing. So you can wear it around your neck like that, around your hand. You can wear it like that. You can wear it like that. Damn, okay. You can wear it as a mask too. God damn it. Like, no mask, no problem. Just take your headband off and put it over your nose and your mouth. Like, yes, that's the type of energy I'm looking for. Yes. Could you shut up, chair? Could you not?
Squidward is my best friend in the world.
So let me get into the wig herself. Let me take this net off. Let me take this out. Okay, so no lace. I'm freaking, like, I'm excited as hell. Like, oh my god. Okay. Woo, okay. So there's no lace at all on this, and I'm just showing you what the hair itself looks like right out of the bag. So this is what the inside is looking like. As y'all can see, there's no lace. So for those of y'all who are like 5 minutes and on the go and you don't have no time to be gluing down no lace front wig or whatever, we got you. There is this velcro in the back, so you can close it like this. You do have an adjustable strap right here, so you can make it fit a lot more snug. And you also get an elastic band, just in case if neither is working for you. You can sew this inside the wig, and yeah, you're good to go. Okay, so as y'all can see, my hair is literally in 4 big doo-doo braids, and the reason why I did it like this is so that I can have like the little space in the front. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna put on this wig cap, and I got a pack of 2, so I'm gonna use 1. So knowing me, I'm a little extra, so I'm gonna put a little bit of gel in the front.
Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go.
Oh my gosh, I'm feeling like a freaking Nubian princess. Like, this is lit. You cannot tell me that this is not my real hair. Like, there is just no way, and it's going nowhere. Like, it is I'm tugging on this like crazy. After I have my baby, this is gonna be my go-to wig, because honey, I'm not gonna have like that time and patience to be gluing down and waiting for no goddamn glue to set and dry or whatever. For the people who like to do bangs, well, I would recommend you can get bangs. You just need to buy some clip-on bangs, and maybe you can clip them on right here, and then you can use the headband and put it over the clip-on bangs so it don't look too obvious, and you're Gucci. Like, this is giving me like blow dried vibes. Like, this is what my hair, like my real hair, looks like when it's blow dried. So this is what the hair is looking like when I straightened it just a little bit more, and it's definitely giving me that straight kinky vibe. And my husband is back at home, so hold on, let me go open that door for him.
I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I'll be sneaking out the door while the sun rises, 'cause I ain't got the time.
This is a really sexy, really cute blue-green color. Oh my gosh, it just looks like my hair. You cannot tell me that this is not my hair. Like, this is genius. Like, this is genius. I can GeniusWigs, this is genius. You can put it down or whatever. If you're feeling this type of vibe, if you like this headband for like the club, you can show up to the club like this, and you're not gonna sweat your lace off because there's no lace. Here's the trick: after you wash this, you're supposed to get some banging curls. So I'm gonna soak this in some water and come back to y'all. So
I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Oh baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go